Broadcast for shooters, hunters, and gun enthusiasts. This is the Firearms Radio Network.
Take another one.
Right.
Shooting the Sphinx, made in Switzerland. 45 ACP.
in your hand. Now go ahead and throw this one. This one is
Did you want to shoot one of the carbines or
any grips or anything else? It still feels pretty good, but this one just that much better. Look at this. The gun. Are you familiar with it?
Both these carbines are identical with the exception of the stock. This has 4 style stock on it.
Let me stand over here so I can block you.
I don't care about that.
That's the only difference. There will be a slot.
Just
because it has an aluminum frame.
Yeah, one thing on this one, I noticed your hand.
Here we go, suppressed.
Put your thumb back here or do a wrap because you catch the bullet. Yeah, exactly. You got to break the AR grip a little bit.
This has been a production of the Firearms Radio Network. You can find more information at firearmsradio.tv.